Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX4 1000. This beast of a machine is ready to conquer any terrain you throw at it. Packed with a 999 cubic centimeters engine, this UTV delivers raw power and torque. Its Ultramatic transmission ensures a smooth ride, whether you're cruising at a leisurely pace or pushing it to the limit. The independent double wishbone suspension with Fox IQ's shocks provides a comfortable and controlled ride, even over the roughest terrain. And with its four-way locking differential, you're always in control. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin. With plenty of room for you and your crew, it's the perfect companion for your off-road adventures. So, if you're ready to take your off-roading to the next level, the 2025 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX4 1000 is the machine for you. Head over to your local Yamaha dealer or check out their website to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.